In this question, we have a triangle with side lengths 25, 24, and 7. So in the Pythagorean theorem, we have the two small sides squared and added together is equal to the longest side squared. In this problem, these are 24 and 7, and the longest side here is 25. Now we're trying to figure out if this is a true statement or not. We don't know if these two things are equal to one another, but we have to figure that out. So 24 squared comes out to be 576. And 7 squared is 49. And we're trying to see, is that equal to 25 times 25, which is 625. So adding 576 and 49, we get 625. So these two things are equal to one another, which means this is a right triangle.